Hello ma'am, I am Jarviel V. Cortez and this is my semi-final activity 7 segment display. So as you can see right here, so each segment of the 7 segment display is connected to a specific digital pin on the Arduino, just like the segment A is connected to 7 right here, and B is connected to 6, C is connected to 5, D is connected to 11, this red wire right here. So the E, this blue wire, is connected to 10, and the F is connected to 8, G is connected to 9, and our decimal point is connected to pin 4. So I will explain my code. So this one right here, so each segment of display is connected to an Arduino digital pin. So segment A is connected to pin 7, segment B is connected to pin 6, C connected to 5, 11, 10, 8, 9, and then our decimal point is connected to 4. So next, this one right here, it will this is a for loop, so it will loop through pin 4 to 11, and then tapos yang iset sila tanan as output para so they can control the display. So next, this one right here, void loop. So mga kuan sila function. So call a function to display a number, tapos mag-wait siya 1000 milliseconds or 1 second, aya siya mo switch to next number. So mo na ni mga function sila. So digital 1, void digital 1. So iyang i-turn on ang C o B nga segment, tapos mo loop siya, iya dayong i-turn off tanan. Tapos iyang i-turn off ang decimal point. Next, maro Japon sa digital 2, iyang i-turn on ang A, B, G, E ug D. Iyang i-turn on, tapos off ang C ug F. Sa digital 3, i-turn digital 3, iyang i-turn on ang A, B, C, D, G segments, tapos iyang i-turn off ang F and E segment. Sa 4, turn on niya ang B, C, F, G segments, tapos turn off ang A, D, E. Dito sa 5, yang i-turn on ang A, F, G, C, D segments, tapos yang i-turn off ang B o E. Dito sa 6, yang i-turn yang i-turn on ang A, F, G, C, D, E segments, tapos turn off ang B. Dere 7, turn on ang A, B, C segments, tapos turn off ang D, E, F, G. Dere sa 8, yang i-turn on ang tanang segments. Maura dayon dili niya i-turn on ang decimal point. So maura ma'am, thank you.